Hello everyone. This is part 3 of our activities series. If you haven't watched the other two, please watch it to get all the benefits. In this video we will be looking at one of the essential motor skills, that is fine motor skills. What is it? These are the precise movements of the small muscles in your hands, fingers, feet, and toes. They involve the coordination of your muscles, joints, and nerves. Without any further delay, let's get started. The first basic level fine motor activity is play-doh manipulation, meaning playing with dough. Squeezing it, rolling it, shaping it. The next one is beads or any small objects that can be used like beads such as pasta. If your child is very young, no worries, you can even let the child to put the small eatable items inside bottle. For other grown-up children, use pasta, buttons, beads, etc. to make some necklace, bracelet, and so on. Our next activity is painting. Painting with fingers are excellent to improve fine motor skills, along with improving sitting and attention duration. It will also add fun in learning. If not, the child can also use brush to do so. 4. Tearing paper, stickers games. This not only improves fine motor but also fulfills sensory needs of some kids, giving them tactile, visual inputs. Today's fifth basic activity is playing with water, scissors and tongue. Water activities are a brilliant way of enhancing learning in children. One water activity is using sponge and water. For this, fill 2 bowls, one with water and one empty. Let the child soak the sponge in water and squeeze it to another empty bowl. Next, one activity with tongue will be using tongue to pick up small beads or any safe household items like whole pulses. Now let's see some of the high-level activities. The first one is using paper, origami and tracing. For origami, the child can simply start with following single steps, looking at the parent. It's really fun and engaging. We can make start with very simple steps like only folding. And for tracing, let the child first trace standing line, then sleeping lines, next shapes and then letters for easy learning process. In more details, we'll discuss on our steps of writing series. Next, buttoning, sipping, and crochet. These are some of the amazing activity to include at home to enhance learning. This strengthens finger coordination and control. Buttoning, sipping can either be with the child's clothes wearing it or with some toy clothes. Juggling and digital art creation. For juggling, start with 2 soft balls or bean bags. Encouraging children to create digital arts, if not, situational drawing along with painting, lead to increase in precision, attention and creativity. Last but not the least, music instruments playing. Not so popular, but playing instruments like piano, guitar, violin involves precise finger movements, improving finger strength and coordination. It's fun, and music are one of the best way for calming and relaxing minds of our little one. That's all for today. We will be back with more such activities to do at home using the things available at home. On the next video, we'll look into some of the interesting activities for gross motor skills. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. And have some questions to ask, you can comment below. See you in the next video.